Nike is ready for the reversal of the decade. In today's analysis, I will take a look at Nike looking at a higher cap frame, showing you how you can capitalize on next potential trade opportunity. If we take a look right here into the monthly chart of Nike, and first of all we determine the overall trend, you can see that despite the recent drop of roughly minus 50%, minus 6% actually towards the downside, Nike is still overall in a bullish market. Therefore, we are preferably looking for long opportunities. If we then start looking at specific market structure, you can also see that slowly but steadily Nike is approaching a major previous structure, which is exactly at this $68 to $70 level. You can see this was previous resistance all the way back in 2015, and then after the rate towards the upside, Nike came back to retest it a first time. We tested a second time with the COVID crash, had a massive rejection away towards the upside, and considering that Nike is approaching this support from above, it is still acting as a valid support level. The second thing, which is also very interesting and for that I have to shoot out a lot, is that Nike is also retesting a 35-year long support trend line. If we are simply connecting all of those significant lows, you can see that at the moment Nike is approaching support. This trend line acted as support a first time back in the beginning of 1990. And then basically always when Nike came back to retest this support, the last time was right here with the financial crisis in 2008/2009. We always saw a major rejection way towards the upside. Honestly, just because we are having this strong trend line, I'm already bullish on Nike and I do expect a massive rejection way towards the upside. We're having what's called a conference of support, where we have multiple support levels coming in at the same area. Furthermore, you can also see Nike is creating a bearish trend line, just connecting all of those highs. So Nike is basically also creating a triangle formation. We have a significant drop towards the downside. However, on the higher time frames, Nike is still extremely bullish. So I am basically waiting for bullish confirmation on the smaller time frames. Then we will simply enter a long position in the elite program.